Force is a physical quantity that brings an object from rest to motion or vice versa. When a ball is placed on a table, it remains at rest until a force acts upon it. Similarly, an object in motion will continue moving unless a force is applied to change its state. Here, we see a man applying force in the form of a push to move a car. This demonstrates how force can be used to change the state of an object from rest to motion. Force can be applied in various forms, such as pushing or pulling, to move objects. This versatility allows us to manipulate objects in our environment effectively. In this scene, a bull applies force in the form of a pull to move a cart. This illustrates how force can be used to change the state of an object from rest to motion, similar to pushing. Force is essentially a push or pull resulting from the interaction between objects. Whether it's a man pushing a car or a bull pulling a cart, force is the key element that initiates movement. When a rubber string is stretched, force is used to change its shape. This is one of the many effects of force, showcasing its ability to alter the physical properties of objects. Force can lead to various effects, such as changing the direction, speed, or shape of an object. Whether it's a soccer ball being kicked or a pot being shaped, force is the driving factor behind these changes. Forces can act in the same or opposite directions. When forces act in the same direction, their effects are additive. Conversely, when they act in opposite directions, the effective force is the difference between them, directed towards the larger force. Contact forces are those that act through direct contact between objects. Examples include muscular force and frictional force, which require physical interaction to exert their effects. Muscular force is the force resulting from the action of muscles, requiring direct contact with the object. This type of force is essential for tasks like lifting or pushing objects. Muscular force is exerted by the action of muscles, requiring contact with the object. This force is crucial for performing physical tasks, such as lifting a bucket of water. Frictional force acts opposite to the direction of motion, gradually slowing down moving objects. When we stop pedaling a bicycle, friction causes it to come to a stop. When a car's engine is switched off, it comes to rest due to the absence of force propelling it forward. This demonstrates how force is necessary to maintain motion. Friction is the force responsible for changing the state of motion of objects, acting opposite to the direction of motion. It plays a crucial role in bringing moving objects to a halt. Forces can be categorized into contact and non-contact forces. Contact forces require direct interaction, while non-contact forces act between objects even if they are not in contact, such as gravitational, electrostatic, and magnetic forces. Forces can be categorized into contact and non-contact forces. Contact forces require direct interaction, while non-contact forces act between objects even if they are not in contact, such as gravitational, electrostatic, and magnetic forces. Gravitational force is always a force of attraction, pulling objects towards the Earth. This force is responsible for keeping us grounded and influencing the movement of celestial bodies. The force of gravity causes water in rivers to flow downward. This natural phenomenon is a result of gravitational attraction, which influences the direction and flow of water. Electrostatic force can cause attraction between objects, as demonstrated by rubbing a glass rod with a silk cloth. This interaction can lead to observable effects, such as bits of paper being attracted to the rod. Electrostatic force can cause attraction between objects, as demonstrated by rubbing a glass rod with a silk cloth. This interaction can lead to observable effects, such as bits of paper being attracted to the rod. Electrostatic force is a fascinating phenomenon where charged bodies exert a force on other charged or uncharged bodies, causing bits of paper to be attracted. This invisible force is a fundamental aspect of physics, demonstrating how charges interact in our everyday world. Magnetic force is another intriguing type of force that acts without direct contact. Magnets exert a force of attraction, pulling objects towards them, showcasing the power of magnetic fields and their ability to influence objects from a distance. Let's explore various situations where force is involved. Whether it's drawing a bucket from a well, firing a bullet from a gun, or moving a trolley, each action requires effort and interaction between objects, highlighting the diverse applications of force in our daily activities. Pressure plays a crucial role in the design of heavy vehicles. Wider tires help distribute the weight more evenly, reducing pressure on the road surface. This understanding of pressure is essential for optimizing vehicle performance and safety. Pressure is defined as the force applied per unit area. When force is applied perpendicular to a surface, the pressure depends on the area over which the force is distributed. Understanding this concept helps us grasp how pressure varies with changes in area. The relationship between area and pressure is inversely proportional. A nail with a flat head on the wall demonstrates this principle, where increasing the area reduces the pressure exerted, making it easier to drive the nail into the wall. School bags are designed with broad shoulder straps to distribute the weight over a larger surface area, reducing pressure on the shoulders. This design consideration ensures comfort and prevents strain, illustrating the practical application of pressure concepts. Pressure is not only exerted by solids but also by other states of matter. Ski boards are designed long and broad to decrease pressure on snow, making gliding easier. This principle of pressure reduction is crucial for efficient movement over surfaces. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the fascinating world of forces and pressure. We hope you gained valuable insights into how these principles apply to everyday situations. Your attention and curiosity are greatly appreciated,